know this hurts, but it's time to give the people something different. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce my hope. What's my definition of success? Creating something no one else could. Being brave enough to dream big. For my life, trying to fill up everything that was in they get it. Evil, difficult to go through, yes, but beneficial. So much easier. A mental breakdown is a negative thing, which I'm with it. I agree, but on the other hand, it was the push I needed to get help and start the healing process. See, if I didn't ever hit my bottom, would I be the person that I am today? I don't believe so. Wake up every day and pick my son up, hold him in my arms and let him know he's loved. Now standing by the window, questioning if that is ever going to show up. Isn't something he's gonna have to worry about. Don't get it twisted, that was in the shop. Mama, I forgive you, I just don't want him to grow up thinking that you'll never be enough. 30 years of running, 30 years of searching, 30 years of hurting, 30 years of pain, 30 years of fearful, 30 years of anger, 30 years of empty, 30 years of shame, 30 years of broken, 30 years of anguish, 30 years of hopeless, 30 years of pain, 30 years of never, 30 years of maybe, 30 years of later, 30 years of fake. Where we fall, I know I can change. We are not enough, we are not the same. You don't have the strength, you don't have the way, you don't have the faith. You'll never be loved, you'll never be safe. Might as well give up, now running away. You don't have the guts, you're the one afraid. I'm the one in charge, I'm taking up, Raise.
Suur tänu Eesti